Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore ways to improve our health and wellness. Today's topic is how a plant-based diet can help you lose weight and maintain it in the long run. Losing weight can be a challenging task, but with a plant-based diet, it can become easier than ever before. Section 1. The benefits of a plant-based diet. Plant-based diets have numerous benefits that can help you lose weight and maintain it. Such diets are high in essential nutrients and vitamins that keep your body healthy. Additionally, they are low in calories and high in fiber, which keeps you fuller for longer, and reduces your cravings for unhealthy foods. Plant-based foods are naturally low in fat, which reduces your overall calorie intake, and helps you lose weight. In fact, studies have shown that people who follow a plant-based diet tend to have a lower body mass index than those who consume animal-based products. Plant-based diets can also reduce the risk of obesity-related diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Section 2. Examples of plant-based foods. Here are some examples of plant-based foods that you can add to your daily diet. These foods are rich in nutrients, low in calories, and high in fiber, making them perfect for weight loss. You can incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts into your meals. They not only help you lose weight but also keep you healthy and energized. For example, berries are a great source of fiber and antioxidants, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce inflammation in the body. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also packed with nutrients and fiber, making them ideal for weight loss. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates that keep you energized throughout the day. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help you feel full and satisfied after a meal. Section 3. How to transition to a plant-based diet. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. One of the best ways to make the switch is to start slowly. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 plant-based meals into your weekly diet and gradually increase the number as you become more comfortable. Another way to transition to a plant-based diet is to find plant-based alternatives to your favorite animal-based dishes. For example, you can swap out meat for tofu, tempeh, or legumes in your stir-fry or chili recipes. You can also replace dairy milk with plant-based milk like almond or soy milk in your smoothies or cereal. There are plenty of online resources that can help you find delicious and easy-to-make plant-based recipes. You can also experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals. Final thoughts. In conclusion, a plant-based diet is a healthy and sustainable way to lose weight and keep it off. By incorporating nutrient-dense and low-calorie plant-based foods into your diet, you can lose weight without feeling deprived or hungry. If you're interested in exploring plant-based diets further, we recommend checking out the Vegan Recipes Cookbook, which has a range of delicious recipes for plant-based diets. Just click the link in the description below. Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet is a journey, and it's important to be patient and kind to yourself along the way. With the right mindset and support, you can achieve your health and wellness goals with a plant-based diet. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more health and wellness videos.